All Jerseys Matter, welcome back to the channel. Everyone got a new vinyl alert. Mass Appeal just came. Was on a little back order. I've been ordered this so long ago, but I ordered Magic 3 at the same time with this other order I placed. And they melded out together because Magic 3 didn't ship to the first quarter of 24, so just came. Haha, let's go. Yeah. Ooh, look what she used. Somebody.
I don't feel like looking for the scissors.
Somebody pulled out the Rambo knife.
The Temu knife.
That's that Rambo, y'all, she pulled out.
That shit bad. Bang, bang.
Here we go. Escobar season begins. Part 3. Here we go. I've been waiting for this to come. Classic album right here. Classic vinyl. You know, only buy classic vinyls, y'all. Y'all know that. I collect Nas everything. Vinyls, CDs, tapes. I collect it all. Appreciate everybody for coming once again. Hit that like, hit that subscribe for me. Go get y'all Magic 3. It's officially out. Thank you, Mass Appeal. And we gonna get to this. She's using the Rambo. She know.
I'm using the Temu.
That's a Rambo. We Rambo bulls over here. Y'all gotta go watch the Rambo movie, Sylvester Stallone classic 80s flick. Woo!
With a nice bag.
What's that? What that say? What that say?
Nice.
Nice little tote bag.
They got something in it.
Got some goodies in there.
Pull that
take
thing
it
out. Yeah, let him take it
Go
out.
ahead, take it out.
Go ahead, take it out.
You want to take it out one by one or all together?
I'm going to take it one by one.
So start with this one on the top.
One on the top.
Yeah, start scraping stuff up the top.
Ooh, what's that right there?
It's a rule of 3 Nas. Kings.
King's what?
King Deceased 3.
That's right. It's the CD.
Go ahead. I pushed it out to you so you can grab it. Yeah.
We got one of these.
Ooh, what's
a
that?
cassette tape.
What's that?
A tape.
Did you ever see one of them?
A tape like this.
Yes.
No, I never saw a Nas tape.
Did you ever see a tape like this, period?
No.
See, this was before.
A tape before.
This was
No, go
before
ahead,
your
take
time. This was music used to come on tapes. See, I was born in 1944, y'all. So, I've been around for a long time. And this Nas right here, this is a classic. I had to get this cassette. I collect cassettes. Oh, what's that?
Okay, we got a little goodie bag inside.
Bring it over here.
We got a little goodie bag inside of there. Nas coin.
Ooh.
Don't open it.
Ooh. And it came in this.
We got two golden things on the board. So we got some stickers from Nas. First, you starting with the normal Nas logo, like this, with the N, or just saying like this, the normal Nas logo. So we got that normal Nas logo. We got this that says Koi.
No. KD3.
KD3. That looks like it says Koi.
That's a Roman numeral for number 3. I'll teach you them later. What Roman numerals are.
Short for that. You see what that say?
King's disease.
3. That's right.
But if you look close, it looks like there's something in the background right here. Okay, next thing.
What? It's right there.
Oh, you ain't show this.
Oh yeah, we got this one.
What's that? A sticker?
Another Nas sticker. I think it's just the back side of this. Yep.
Yeah.
It's just the back side of this, but just black, so you can see it better.
Okay.
All right, put something else in there. Yep, take that out.
The King's disease. We got nothing on the back. There's a glowing faces
I don't
as
know
the
what that
King
is.
disease Nas.
Is that an album?
That's like a little poster.
Oh, okay. It looks like a booklet. Go ahead. That's the big thing.
3, 2, 1.
Go ahead.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
What's that?
You know what that's called?
Let's look like this.
Do you know what this is called, though? The whole thing.
What is this?
It says KD3 over it.
I know, but what is this right here? What are you holding?
I think I know the name, but but it's not processing in my brain.
It begins with a V.
Vinyl.
Yeah.
Ah, that's right.
Not processing in my brain. Let's see the front.
That's the back.
The back, y'all.
Well, the back. The envy.
Like I said, I've been ordered this, everyone, but I
Put the
ordered
stickers
it the
back
same time when I ordered Magic 3. And I didn't find out that they wasn't going to ship it until Magic 3 came out. So I had to wait. But I bought everything. Like I said, I collect all Nas stuff. Nas is the GOAT. Nas is the greatest rapper. The artist.
What you looking for?
He's the best.
You
Point
missing
blank
one?
period.
That's all of them.
I appreciate everyone for coming. Please hit that like and subscribe. Please continue to come back and watch the videos. Thank you for supporting All Jerseys Matter.